Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Pisces, in this reading I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your reading. Okay. And I wish you a very happy new year, my dear Piscean viewers. Okay, so Pisces, this is your current energy with this Justice card. Pisces, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Libra. Okay, Pisces, I feel that oh my god, the Hermit, this is your partner's energy, Pisces. So let's talk about your energy. Okay, so Pisces, with this Justice card, I feel that you guys are into some kind of a decision making state. Okay, either you want to happen things as per your own wish, or else you don't want them anymore in your life. Okay, so whatever the situation is you are facing right now in life, okay, this thing has tortured you a lot mentally. That thing has made you feel sick and tired from a very long time now. You feel that it's okay, whatever it is, okay, you know, be it good or bad, I am strong enough to face every situation. Okay, but now I am putting my foot down. I need things as per my own wish. I need things as per my own desires. Okay, if the other person or something which is less as per my expectations, I am not going to entertain anything, any person in that manner. Okay, Pisces, I feel that you are by this energy you are definitely going to bring balance into your life. Plus you are going to be you are acting and behaving like a judge, like a person who who passed the verdict that, see, this is the thing, I want this thing. Okay, if you are not capable, if you are not willing to give me that XYZ thing, I don't want you, you better leave. Okay, or if you want to stay with me, then you need to be, or you need to act like as per like my wishes. You need to fulfill my desires. Okay, or else I don't want you. Okay, it's my way or highway kind of a thing. Okay, for you. And plus Pisces, I feel that most of you are being very energetic now. Okay, you are being you are acting, or you are being as somebody who is not afraid to cut out certain emotions, certain people, certain situations out from your life. Okay, you are in an action mode. Okay, either I want things as per my wish, or else I don't want it. And for some of you Pisces, if you guys are into some kind of a legal issues, or you are going through some kind of a legal fights, or some kind of a legal issues are there with you Pisces, so I feel that you are definitely going to get some positive response from this legal institution. Okay, so justice is going to be served in your favor. Okay, Pisces, this was your current energy, and this is your partner's current energy, the Hermit. I feel that some of you could be dealing with Virgo with this Hermit card. Okay, so with this card, I feel that your person is, I don't know what they want, because this person has, I know that they are into a dark room. I know that they are going through their own issues. I know they are going through some tough times in their life, but still, this person does not want to take any step forward towards this relationship. When it comes to this relationship, this person feels that it's okay now. I cannot, be in any relationship right now. Okay. See, they have this lantern in their hand, but they don't want to move ahead. Okay, they are standing still. They don't want to move. Okay, they don't want to take any action towards this relationship, or it could be anything. So they are holding back their emotions. Okay, they are holding back their feelings. They can take action, they can move forward about towards some certain things. It could be you, it could be this relationship, it could be any other thing, but they are choosing to stay calm, they are choosing to stay silent. Okay, they don't want to do anything, they don't want to take any action right now, they just want to stay still, they just want to stay mum. Yes, so basically they are not interested right now. Okay, they don't want to take any action for a particular thing. It could be you and them, it could be this relationship, and it could be any other thing. It could be their finances, it could be their career, it could be their goal. Okay, so Pisces, that was your partner's current energy. Now let's see how you see them. Okay, and how this person sees you. We have got 3 cards. Okay, so we have 6 of cups. You feel or you think about this person as somebody who is your past life person. I mean, you feel that you are meeting with somebody who is known to you since ages. Okay, this 6 of cups card is saying to me that you quite often meet with your person. Okay, and whenever you meet them, they always, be very uh, kind towards you, or they talk very nice to you. Okay, they talk very sweet with you. Okay, so you feel that you are meeting from somebody from your past life. Okay, you must have felt some kind of a connection with your partner, Pisces. Okay, that yes, this is the person which I would like to talk, which I would like to take things further. Okay, now on the other side, let's see what your person feels about you. So with this 8 of Pentacle cards, your person is seeing you that you are being very hard working towards something. It could be your career, finances, goals. Okay, so you are working really hard uh, towards your materialistic things. Okay, to earn a lot of money in life. Okay, so your person is seeing you from a distance. Maybe it's them who is seeing you from a distance. That they are seeing you that you are working really hard towards earn something in life. Okay, so that is the reason. But it could be, I mean, perhaps it is the reason that they are not taking a step towards you. Okay, because they know that this is the crucial time for you, Pisces, to work on yourself, work on your dreams, work on your goals, work on your career. Okay, so they are maybe they are seeing you from a distance, that my Piscean person is working. Okay, so I should not bother them, I should not disturb them, let them work. Okay, let them earn something in life. Okay, then I'll take a step ahead, and or then I'll do something, or then I'll take some action towards them. So they are seeing you that you are being very hard working towards something. Okay, plus they also feel about you, Pisces, with this Judgment card. They have felt that you have been through so many emotions. Okay, you have been through so many ups and downs in your life. Okay, okay, Pisces, with this Judgment card, they also feel about you that my Pisces people has has been through a lot of difficult times in their life. They have seen so many good and bad phases in life. Now with this Judgment card, they feel that you are, or you even I mean, either you are going through that kind of a introspection phase right now, or you have done your introspection part. Okay, now you are becoming more stronger, or you have become more stronger. Okay, so that's why it's you, Pisces, with this Five of Swords. Your person sees you from a distance, that this my Pisces people has done a lot of hard work to earn something in life. Okay, plus they also have done their introspection, that what is good for them, what is not good for them. So now, after doing a lot of hard work, after doing this introspection thing, now my Pisces person has become uh, has entered in this Five of Swords energy. Now they know how to handle people, they know how to talk with people, they know how to pretend themselves strong, they know how to show confidence. Okay, Pisces, I feel that it's your current energy, that I told you the same thing in the beginning of your reading, that it's you, Pisces, that who's being very authoritative towards your life. Okay, so similarly, your person is also feeling about you with this Five of Swords card, that now my Pisces is becoming more confident. Okay, they are becoming more hardworking towards their own life. Okay, and yes, the introspection part has been done. Okay, now they feel that Pisces knows what they want. Okay, now let's see how you feel this relationship and how they feel about this relationship. Okay, we have the Star card in reverse. Pisces, I feel that your healing part has been done. Okay, the clarity which you wanted from universe, that is with you, Pisces, with the Star card. Okay, your healing part has been done. Your clarity, you have the clarity of what you want in life. Okay, you were distracted in past. Okay, or maybe you were feeling that no, it may be not, I mean, maybe it is not the right relationship for me, maybe it is not the right person for me, or something like that. So you were kind of very confused about them, or you were kind of very confused about this relationship. But this Star card is saying to me that you have gained the clarity in this relationship. Okay, your healing part has been done. Now you are being more confident towards them. Now you are being more, you know basically you have bring balance into your life. As I said in the beginning, you are not relying on them, or you are not relying on anybody else in for the sake, I mean, in terms of your happiness. Okay, now you are accepting all the things the way they are. Okay, you are not trying to manipulate anybody, you are not trying to manipulate any situation, you are taking life as it's coming towards you, Pisces. Okay, so you have done your healing part. Now you are doing your best to live your life. Okay, and yes, this in terms of this relationship, yes, you feel that they are the one with whom you would like to see yourself in future. But if it's not going in that way, then it's okay, I'll be fine. I won't I won't have any grudges, I won't have any bad memories, I won't have any big issues. Okay, I won't create any big issues about uh, this thing, that that they don't want me into their life. So you are being neutral, you are being in silence, you are being in peaceful situation, Pisces. Okay, so if this relationship is happened, then you will be okay. If it doesn't work, then you will be okay. So you in a mental peace state. Okay, okay, now your person's feelings towards this relationship. Your person feels confident whenever they think about you, Pisces. Your person feels strong whenever they think about you and this relationship. Perhaps they have not told you this thing, but they feel really blessed to have you, they feel really strong to have you, they feel really stable to have you. Okay, um, being the strength sign, they must have not shown you their true emotions. Okay, but yes, deep down in their heart, they know your worth, they know your struggles, they know how important you are for them. Okay, and yes, they feel strong with you, they feel happy with you, they feel strong with this relationship. And yes, whenever they think about you and this relationship, your person feels that this person is my backbone, this person is my support, this person cannot leave me at any point of time in life. Okay. Yeah, let's see what is going to be the future potential. What's going to be the future potential for Pisces? What's going to be the future potential for Pisces people, please? Ace of Wands. Something is about to start in future for you, Pisces. Something is about to start. Universe is arranging all the things for you to start something new in terms of this relationship, okay, or in this love, okay. If you guys are not in talking terms right now, I don't think so, but still, if some of you are not in talking terms, or you guys are not talking to your partner, so I feel that some communication is going to take place in future for you, okay. And for some of you who are in a good talking terms with your partner, something new is about to happen for you in coming time. Perhaps they are going to propose you, perhaps they are going to take you out for a date, perhaps they are going to talk to you about their feelings. So something is going to start in this relationship in future with this Ace of Wands. All you need to do is just to believe the process, believe the timing, and yes, just have faith. Yes. Okay. So Pisces, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Libra with this Justice card. Some of you could be dealing with Virgo with this Hermit. We have Strength. We have Leo in this reading with the Strength card. Okay. We have Aquarius also in this reading with the Star card in reverse. We have Water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with the Six of Cups. And we have Earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Air of Pentacles, Earth sign. Okay, we have fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ace of Wands. We have air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Five of Swords. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So Pisces, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.